Alrighty, in this video I'm going to be going over how I am trellising my cucumbers and my tomatoes. This is the first year I've ever gardened, and this is basically just the ideas that I found online and the ones I decided to give a shot. So yeah, I'm just going to be giving some details and going over everything about trellising these guys. Alrighty, I guess I'll go over the tomatoes first. I think this is called the California trellis. You basically you got the two T-posts on each side, and then you put the line one row at a time, and you put it all the way across. And each line you do one on the left side of the plant and then one on the right side of the plant. So the plant ends up in between both the lines, and this obviously holds up the tomato plant. Unfortunately, my tomato plants aren't doing so well. So I don't know its full effectiveness yet. I think the reason they're not doing so well is they got like this fungal infection or whatever, like this disease, and it's spreading everywhere. And I tried trimming these tomatoes, but because they had them first, but it still managed to spread into the thick part. So currently having to deal with that. For the cucumbers, I'm doing just like a line trellis. So basically what I did is two T-posts on each side for 2 rows, and then I got airplane wire, and I tied a knot around this one, and I put it all the way obviously to the other side, wrapped it around, and then tied the knot back over there. And I had to get cutters, like wire cutters, to cut the airplane wire. Obviously, if you want to do it the way I did, you're gonna need wire cutters for the airplane wire. A lot of people just get a PCP pipe and they put it on each side, and they get the PCP the PCP pipes right here, and they get just like a plastic tube, and they put it in the PCP pipe holders, and they do that across. The reason I didn't do that is because I just feel like that's too flimsy, like just 2 pieces of plastic that aren't actually held down by anything, sitting on top of the T-post. I just feel like during a storm that would get blown down. So I thought the airplane wire, wrapping that tightly around the T-posts would be a little more supportive. You got the airplane wire at the top, and then this is just silicone string you can order on Amazon, and you bring it all the way down to the bottom of the plant, and you get one of these plastic clips right here. You can order a whole bag of these plastic clips online for very cheap, and they just look like this. And you put the string in the middle here, and you clamp it down, and you wrap it around the plant. As you can see, I guess this is my baby one still. Silicone line is in there, and you put it down the base of the plant, and then you basically just wrap the plant around the string. And it'll do this by itself, but you can help it out a little bit. See, I have the string wrapped around, and the cucumber plant basically just climbs up the string. So all these cucumber plants will just climb up all the way. It makes it easier to harvest the cucumbers as well, because it's just up in a straight line, and you can perfectly see all the cucumbers that are growing. Because cucumber plants, if you don't harvest the cucumber in time and it gets to fully grown, the plant will basically just kill itself. Because then it's oh, I got a full cucumber, my seeds will spread, I'm done, and the plant kills itself. So you want to be able to see your cucumbers and know when they're almost done, but not quite. And that's when you pull them, eat them, and the cucumber plant will continue to grow cucumbers after that, as long as the cucumber doesn't get to full growth. But yeah, first year gardening, these are the 2 methods I'm giving a try. I like them. I don't know why it ever changed, but maybe next year I'll give something different. But yeah, just another view. That's the cucumber, and then that's the tomato. I just wanted to make a video about this, just show, give other beginner gardeners an idea, and just maybe if there's enough people watch this, if there's anyone in the comments who wants to give some critiques or anything I could be doing better, I'd appreciate that too. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.